Hey Frankie, what's your name?
Wow!
Galing!
That's right! How old are you?
How old are you?
He's afraid of the
How old are you?
thunder. Because of the thunder.
No, how old are you?
No, he's scared of the thunder.
How old are you, Frankie?
He's scared of
How old are you daw?
Of the thunder.
Eat mo na, eat.
Ano?
That's so cute.
I know,
Are
right?
they donuts?
I baked it.
You baked them from Jayco?
Yeah.
Wow.
For Jayco.
Baka maubos ni Frankie yung ano.
Pansit.
Yes.
Jayco.
Yung Jay mo o Jayco?
Yung Jay mo.
Jay niya.
Yung Jay nila.
Wow, bro, mabilot pa yan ha.
Frankie.
Frankie, can you say kachaw? Frankie, can you say kachaw?
Frankie, can you say good job? Say good job, Kuya Jay.
Freshly baked from Jayco. Freshly baked from Jayco. Pick one.
Okay, go.
Okay, mag-pick ka ng feeling mo ma-match ng iyong
Personality.
personality.
Oh my God!
Pick one na feel mo mag-match ng iyong personality.
Oh my God!
And you need to explain why you picked that J-pop.
Jay, sabihin mo lang kita.
Bibidyoan ka daw niya.
Ay nako.
Question.
Okay.
These are J-pops from Jayco. I'd like them to pick a J-pop that fits their personality. So, which one do you think fits your personality?
I think
Grabe, ang ganda pala investment ng Rolls.
I guess this one.
Why?
What is it?
I don't know.
Is it?
Usapan ng
Are they
It's a
nuts?
surprise.
Is it nuts?
Matcha yan, matcha.
What is it?
Matcha.
Okay, I think it's matcha. So I can get it now.
Binibenta pala.
Hindi, nasa ano eh.
Now I eat it.
Kulang yung dalawa.
Yeah, you can eat it.
Okay. Oh, the reaction video.
Ito 100, ito 100,
Tapos nga nung ulan, nabasa. Ay, tayo, dito ka pala.
Nabasa yung mga damit?
100 grams.
Mmm.
Ang gold grade nila.
yummy. Oh my God.
Gold grade 4,800
Hey, tingnan mo.
na isang grams. So 480,000 ito. So,
Why did you pick the match,
Mas type ko yung religion.
Because I'm from Japan. You know, I lived in Japan for like 3 months.
So you're a Japanese now. You're a
Yes.
legitimate Japanese.
Frankie, sit down in the chair.
Bro, mamimili ka daw na mag-fit ng personality mo.
too close.
Ayun, wala na.
Sarap.
Frankie, what did mommy say?
Kasi ba?
What did mommy
Yummy.
say?
Ano ba, hindi masyadong matangkiyari ko.
Baka po, ay hindi ko baka po strawberry yan. Matcha po yan, matcha.
Frankie,
Hindi kiwi to.
Hindi po yan, matcha po yan.
Ang cute, may mga maliliit na pala na ano, na ganyan.
Parang ano, Daryl, parang
Kuya Jay, daw, binibideo mo yung mga reaction at yung mga bakit pinipili nila. Yung?
Ay.
Yung pagpipiliin yung ano.
Yung sabi ko kasi Kuya Jay, pumili ka ng J-pop na feeling mo nag-fit ng personality mo. Si Kuya Jay, ang dami ng sinabi.
Ako, kasi ito yung J ko.
Wow! Kasi Jojo.
Oh.
Hindi ko na video.
Hindi naka-video.
May sorry po pa.
Hindi believe you?
Nakatapat kay
Ano
Dark.
ka ba?
Kaya, you want to get one?
So, dito kasi titingin. Huwag ka titingin. Diyan ka lang titingin.
Makatingin nga. Tignan mo si Frank. Oh, nagji-gymnastics. Oh.
Oh, here, Frankie, do the gymnastics. Ready?
Siya na si the next Carlo
1,
Yulo.
2, 3. Wow. You can do,
One,
ano
two,
pa,
three.
you're gonna... Oh.
Like it?
Ito din.
Bago ko pa daw makuha.
Okay, go.
Hirap na.
Okay, why did you choose it?
Bro, parang na ako ma-interview.
I like it.
Ikaw, ba't mo pinili yun?
Masarap.
Ikaw, ano pinili mo?
I chose the Oreo because I think it's, I don't know, I just feel like it's good.
Ang hirap maging vlogger, Kuya Jay.
Good?
Adi, ano ginagawa mo?
Wala bang mga pakatapos nun?
Gusto niyo po si mama pa?
Wala pa, alam mo pare. Dapat mag-vlog na lang.
Okay, go. Okay, why did you choose that one?
Kasi may Rice Krispies.
Wow, ang galing. O, ikaw. Sabar.
Sa game ka na.
Bro, mas... Ano yung kukuha ng pagkain, mas pipili na hindi kumain kasi mas
Ako,
nahirapan sa pagkain.
ito. Ano ba parang natunaw?
Masarap yan. Hindi kasi hinireheat ko.
Ah, okay.
Kasi 2 days ago pa yan.
Okay.
Paano ko yun yung bagong Santa Fe? Ang ganda po. Square.
Yan, malaki.
Para TV.
Napakalaki.
Sobrang
Kaya
parang
ko.
ano eh.
Tali, I'm gonna give you one more. Last one, okay?
Okay.
You
I
want
will
5?
choose.
Okay, 4.5.
8.
8?
4.8.
Ay, parang may battery na ulit si Frankie.
Si McQueen pala. McQueen powered pala yan.
Si Steve McQueen.
Lightning powered pala yan.
Gusto mo ba?
Yung GR nga na Fortuner.
You're lightning powered.
Sorry.
2.6 na nga
Eh,
yun.
gusto niyo pa?
Ayoko lang. 2.6 yung GR na...
What is Frankie eating?
Ay! Oh no, big bite. Small bite lang, small bite. What is Frankie doing? Wow. What is Frankie doing?
Sounding freely through the starless sky. Only you
Yan yung sira.
Hello.
the shooting star. If I'm too far, can't go down to where I used to be.
Surprise.
Huwag kasi baka makita ni Italia.
I'll chase the rain where the stars despair. Let me share this whole world.
Tapos ang pulo.
Ay, ito pumuputok na to?
Yeah.
Para hanap tayo ng walang timer. Oh. Pati ba yung Talia? Oh, come here.
Oh, Darwin na to.
Come on. Dito tayo.
Ayan, pinaiyak mo lahat sila.
Open. Frankie! Dance, Frankie!
Frankie is also magaling. Can book also.
Tapos nakatayo siya, inilaw.
Tapo na. Hinahanap na.
Tagal.
Tapos sa
Sa sound. As in, grabe yung stress niya kanina. May nakakuha ba ng video? Wala.
Wala.
Kinuha ko yung video mo. Yung reaction
Nakuha na
video.
ba yata kanina?
Ayun, grabe.
Wala na po. May kaya na po. May
Sorry,
tayo.
Frankie, yung bless the grandma.
Let's do that, please.
Get grandma sad.
Yes! Talia, bless!
Hug. No, like hug. I miss you, Grandma.
Gusto niya sumama. Gusto niya sumama para magsundo sa'yo. Kaya
Oo.
hindi ako piling magdala ng dalawang bata.
Pag nagkakain.
Ay, ninawa ko muna sa Japan
Ganun
day.
Ngayon ka lang nakita ng ginagamit.
Kailangan ko naman ng pamunas eh. Wala akong pamunas sila. Labakon na isa sa pansalamin.
Hindi, isang piraso lang naman eh. Pero mas matangkad.
O kayo muna. First family muna.
The first
Wow,
family.
first time.
Si Biden, bro.
Bro, si ano ka? Si Donald Trump ka bro, Donald Trump.
Ang lakas-lakas ng mga bagay talaga.
Tali, sit down. Can you blow the candle later? You don't want to blow?
Oh, what's the blue? Oh,
What's this? That one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy Happy birthday to you. Yay! Wish! Make a wish!
Wish, bro, wish. Okay, let's blow. 1, 2, just me.
Yeah, it's your birthday.
Yay!